everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete your IRL account. So if you've been using the IRL platform in order to stay connected with your friends for a certain while now, but now no longer want to use it and hence want to permanently delete your account, this is what you can do. Stick with me till the end of this video to find out how exactly you can permanently delete your IRL account. So for this, first of all, head over to your IRL app, and then you can see that on the upper left hand side there's a profile icon. Tap on the profile icon and then tap on settings. As you tap on settings, you can see the last option says delete account. So select delete account, and now here it says that once you decide to delete your account, it cannot be undone. So if you're sure that you want to delete your account, tap on yes, delete account. And after a certain while, you'll be able to see that you've been logged out of your account. So this basically means that your account will now get permanently deleted. It's a very simple process, and you can delete your account within a time frame of about 1 to 2 minutes. I hope that this video has been useful to you. If you found this video helpful and deleted your own account by watching this video, do let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe to App Guide, and hit that bell notification so that you are reminded each time that we upload a new tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.